This season, we reflect on the SLC Surge spirit and what it means to us, how it shows up across our campuses to our students, staff, faculty, alumni, and donors, whether in the classroom, through the hallways, or across our global network. The SLC spirit connects us to our communities as we contribute to their growth and development. It unites us as we work towards shared values of students first, teamwork, innovation, integrity, and belonging. Our SLC spirit is a gift that grows and gets stronger as we connect and share it with each other. We continue to be dedicated to student success, academic excellence, and leadership in our communities. We embody the energy, momentum, and the spirit of our Surge brand. And we continue to put our students first and foster a community of belonging. As we enter the holiday season and near the end of the 2024 year, the SLC Surge spirit is alive and continues to grow as we share it. Happy holidays from St. Lawrence College, and especially from Storm. I want to take this time to send the entire SLC community best wishes for a restful and meaningful holiday, with lots of time spent with those closest to you. As 2024 draws to a close, I want to also say how proud I am of everyone across our college for the ways you have helped put our students first and keep our community as one, where everyone can feel they belong. As we continue to build a culture of support and embody the essence of the Surge spirit, it's amazing what we can achieve. So whether you're sharing holiday wishes, spending time with friends and family, or helping others this holiday season, thank you for keeping the spirit alive. I look forward to the year ahead as we continue to work together, guided by our shared values. Happy holidays, however you celebrate, and Merry Christmas.